Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your brand new Xbox Series X gaming console. It's a next gen awesome console, and we are going to make the setup using our smartphone and a nice device. It is really easy because the only thing you have to do is, first step, switch on the device, of course. Then you have to dock it by using the HDMI cables and power supply. Then start the Xbox by pushing on the power button. Over here it's an X, and then we are on the screen here. And on the screen we can see we will need an app to enter into the system. We can get it on Google Play Store or in the Apple App Store, no problem, okay? Let's go to the App Store, and then we have to download the Xbox app itself. And if we are there, we can download it, and on the screen of our device, like our smartphone, is now manage your console and connect with friends all in one place. It's so easy, but you will need a smartphone for it. In another video I show you how to do this without a smartphone. It's possible too. So now we go to setup console, and now enter the code on our television. This code is over here. It is a random code. It will change every boot process. Now we have to enter it. So get in there, go BWBHE. In your case, it will be another code, okay? Then XY, OO, XY, and NLF. Job's done, nearly. Then connect to console. Now we will connect in an ad hoc network with this Xbox. We have to confirm that. Maybe you will get a little bit trouble like here, but no, doesn't care. We will go and check again. BWBHE, XY, NLF. It is okay. Let's go. Connect to the console. Now we are connecting, and maybe it will work that time. Connecting to our console to continue join the Wi-Fi. Connected. Oh, okay. Now, next step. Now it's time to look at our smartphone again. Here is connected. Job's done here, right there. English, you can choose your language, where you are, the location, etc. Then go to next. Then we have to enter into our Wi-Fi network. Choose your own network. And then we have to enter the password for it. Ask your admin for it. That means we have to enter here our Wi-Fi network key. So that's easy. We entered now the code, and we can go to join. Joining our console to Wi-Fi. Now our smartphone will give the information of the Wi-Fi network into the system of your Xbox. And if this is done, here you can see your console is online now. Next step, we now have to choose the power mode. Energy saving, low power consumption, environmentally friendly. But instant on will get us more. Fast startup, and play, install and manage console games from your mobile device itself. If you like this, you have to choose instant. Then automatic updates, of course. Then turn on remote features, because we can play on our smart device, like in tablet or in smartphone, with our games from our console. Skip this in this case. Now you can see the Xbox is rebooting. Now let's go, and we have to sign with an Xbox profile. The Xbox profile is a Microsoft account itself. That means if you have a Microsoft Live, message, mail, or Skype, etc., you can enter it here, or you will to have to make a new account in it. But it is for free. It costs you nothing. Only a little bit of data, of course. So now the next step is update complete. No, nice. No, sign in and secure preferences. No barriers for home use, only you. Ask for my passkey. That is you will get a pass key, which you have to enter if you buy something, or lock it down. Every time you have to enter your Microsoft account. So no barriers at home. Do you want to automatically sign in when you turn on your Xbox? Of course, enable instant sign. That's awesome, I think. Add family members to this console. If you have family members which need another platform thing, you can add family members here or skip it. How we use your data? Some information, level up your game experience, no thanks or yes, I'm in. So you can got in gold or the ultimate version, you can sign in and go into the community better, deeper. No thanks. When we share data with publishers, of course, some information about this. And then want to keep in touch. Xbox information and offers, publishers infos and offers. That is how they can communicate with you if you like. Which apps do you want on your console? That means we can now choose YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney, Spotify, etc. to get installed on our console while we make a setup. Let's skip this, that we can make later. Copy your settings. If you have in the previous time an Xbox account, you can import it and have the same Xbox layout. Start fresh. If you do not have it, this option will not available. Will this console be used by kids? No, of course not. That's all done. Explore the app while your console updates. So here we are now in the app, and we can download games. We make setup as well, which will be in our console after we make a setup on the console. That's enough with that here. Now we are going to our console itself. We go and take this Wi-Fi controller. Now we have to pair these two because they are now waiting each other. If this controller is not paired with another console, you can push the on button and hold it for 2 seconds. That's enough. And then we have to accept this by pushing A. A is the button, accept. B is back. X and Y is for navigation. And here we can see we are now inside the console menu. Of course, if this is not matching anymore, you can press here the pair button until the LED here is flashing, and do the same with your controller. Push until it is on, and push the Wi-Fi button on the top. Both will connect with each other. Job's done. So now we here. You can buy a Game Pass, for example, or you will choose that not. Join now, other plans, use the code. Oh, no thanks. Find the best settings for our television. It will communicate now and get the best setup. And in this case, it is keep displays at 4K. If you do not have a good picture, wait 10 or 20 seconds, then it will get back to the standard setup. Keep this at 4K. It's better, isn't it? Now let's go. Now we are ready to use our Xbox console, and see here we can go to the store. We can go and use a Game Pass, more options, events, friends, etc., etc. And now it's time to play. We are inside the system and we are locked in. Easy, isn't it? Yes, it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.